Welcome to Booqable. In this video, you will learn everything you need to know on how to customize or translate the text on your rental website. To start, log into your Booqable account and head to Settings. From there, click on Translations. This is where all the text changes for your website can be completed. On this page, you will see a different panel for the different places your customers will be able to see the online text that Booqable writes, like your website's checkout, shopping cart, and on the documents you generate with Booqable. Let's start by customizing your language in English. Let's say, for example, that you would like to change the word checkout to something like wishlist. This is perfect for businesses that don't accept reservations right away. Click on the text field that you'd like to change and type in your preferred wording. And scroll down the list to find all instances of this word that appear online or in your emails or documents for you to change. To speed up this process, you can hit the Command F button to bring up a spotlight box for you to search for the text within the page so you don't miss any of them. You can search for these terms in this panel, for example, so these are the instances of the word checkout that will appear on your documents, making sure to save when you're finished, and you can also find these in the other panels. Here you can see every instance of the word checkout that appears in your online cart, for example. You can continue the same process of clicking and adjusting as you please. Once you hit save, your website will display wishlist wherever checkout was previously shown. And this applies to if you have a Booqable website or you have Booqable installed into a website of your own. Make sure to hit save after every panel. Now, if you want to change every word to a new language, for example, like Spanish or French, repeat the same process of writing the translated text into each speech field. So for me, I'm going to translate my front end and my documents and emails into Spanish. So I can go ahead and complete that process, scrolling down on every panel and making sure to hit save each time. Once you're done, you can refresh your website and you'll see that the language has been updated throughout the site. Lastly, you can customize or translate the emails that are sent out to your customers. Go to Settings and then hit Emails, and here you'll see a list of default email templates that are sent automatically, such as the web shop confirmation email, and manual emails that you will have access to from your orders page, like send quote and example. Open the web shop confirmation email, which is the email automatically sent after every online order is placed, and the text here you'll find is fully customizable in English, where you can add extra text like your terms and agreements or returns policy, for example. To translate this to a different language, simply replace the text with your desired language, but make sure to leave all the words and phrases in brackets, as these are the lines of code that Booqable uses to fill out your emails automatically with all the unique information like the products, the order number, and everything else that the customer needs to know, and that is unique to the customer. Don't worry that these lines of code are in English. If you have entered in your inventory and all of your order information on your website in your chosen language, this will reflect correctly in the email. If you're using the Booqable rental website builder to host your rental website, you'll need to make sure that any sections of text that you add, when you add a section of text, testimonials, a collection of different collections, you need to make sure that all the text, headings, and titles are translated manually if you want them in a different language. The platform of Booqable does not offer automatic translations for custom text at this time, so you need to ensure that all the content is translated accurately into your chosen language. This ensures that your website is accessible and consistent. And you're all set. You have now learned everything you need to know on how to customize or translate the text on your rental website.